In this morning's Moms Every Day, did you know that the #1 concern of most of you seeking orthodontic treatment for your children is often the cost? Big dollars often associated with this time of work. I'm joined this morning with DaBell of DaBell Orthodontics. So let's talk really quickly about the value of this type of treatment.
Yeah, so a lot of people think about how much orthodontic treatment is going to cost. But what most people don't think about is how much it might cost you if you don't get orthodontic treatment. And what I mean by that is, when you think about, a lot of people don't like their teeth. They don't like their smile and they're reluctant to smile. And if you think about the effect that can have on your future, on your confidence, on opportunities you might have to not have a smile that you can really rely on, that can have a big cost on your future. A lot of times people don't think about the cost that it might have in future dental work that you might need as well. A lot of problems with your teeth can be prevented by straightening them, by positioning the bite just right, positioning the teeth just right. For example, crowded teeth are harder to maintain, harder to take care of. You can get periodontal problems, meaning gum problems, tooth problems. You can even lose teeth or have teeth wear down by not getting them straightened in position just right.
And so when we're talking about the value of that, where do you find that conversation happening at home with children and their parents?
Well, a lot of times it doesn't happen at home. A lot of times it's when they come to see us for the first time. When kids are 7, 8, 9, 10, they're getting into their adult teeth. They come in to see us and we talk about the things that are going on that maybe they don't notice. A lot of times we only look at the smile, which is important, obviously, but we don't look at what's lying underneath as far as the position of the teeth and the bite. They can have a real effect on your teeth over the course of your life. And that's what you really need to think about when you think about orthodontic treatment, is what's the value over a lifetime. Because this is a lifetime investment in you and in your kids that can pay dividends all along the way.
And talk a little bit about people in their adult life coming in for work because maybe their family life when they were children couldn't afford this type of work. What's your recommendation to adults?
Yeah, orthodontic treatment has no age limit. A lot of patients come in as adults, just like you said, who couldn't afford it maybe when they were kids, their parents couldn't afford it or didn't see the value in it or just didn't know about it. And they'll come in and get the treatment for themselves, find out about these things for themselves and really invest in themselves at that point. And there's huge value for them as adults. Maybe they have teeth that they've never liked all along the way. They don't like their smile. They're having health problems with their teeth. And we can fix a lot of those issues and really set them up for the future.
Wonderful. DaBell, thank you so much for joining us here this morning. For more information, you can head to our social media pages. We'll post it there.